Yes, when I first saw the news, well, it is not an unexpected event based on our research. So myself and the other teams in our institute, we have been investigating the seismic hazard in Myanmar since about 10 years ago. So the earthquake took place along the segment of the Sagan Fault, which is a plate boundary type of fault. It's a major fault in Myanmar. This fault has hosted big earthquakes in the past few hundred years. Based on these historical studies as well as modern geophysical investigations, we know that this segment of the fault, is likely to rupture as a big earthquake in the near future. Mm-hmm. So we have been communicating with the Myanmar governments as well as local scientists, highlighting the potential high-risk seismic risk along this segment of the fault. So this earthquake to us is not unexpected.
Yeah. And to that point, I mean, as our reporter was just sort of discussing and alluding to there, I mean, this was something that you and your researchers and team had been tracking, the science community perhaps had been expecting, but obviously the domestic politics in Myanmar right now, the situation on the ground there perhaps made it more challenging for officials there to perhaps pay attention, as you say, to the warnings that you've been trying to issue.
Exactly. Well, given the political and also the economic status of the country, I think the multiple cities along the Sagan Fault is very vulnerable and kind of at the high seismic risk. So yeah, we as scientists, we try our best to provide the best scientific information to the stakeholders.
And just give me a sense, I mean, 7.7 magnitude, give me a sense of what that means. And just as far as we know that it's been felt, you know, the edges of China, Bangkok, I mean, just sort of put that in context for us.
Sure. Given the size of the magnitude as well as preliminary seismological results that we know this earthquake probably produced the rupture along more than 300, at least 300 kilometers long. It ruptured these long distance along the fault.